All right, welcome to another live stream. It's been a while. Testing, testing, one, two. Testing, testing, one, two. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some charts. It's been a while. It feels good. Let's do some fresh analysis on gold and see where we are. 4 hour. Okay, we're looking to push up. 4 hour candle just started. Daily. So on daily, we have a resistance area here. So let's go ahead and dig deeper into what levels do we have. So on a smaller time frame, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just go right into 15 minute. It's just so on 15 minute we have some sort of support area here because there's so let me make this bigger, right? Because there is wicks down here and then there is support here and like here, it's just all coming down to this area, and I would consider this area to be a area of support. If we can close above these wicks, I think we're just pushing up. I would want this to close above these wicks, and then the next candle could continue to push up to, we have 41.36. So the next resistance here is this. So if we start to close above this area, 41.36, 37, we should continue to push up to 41.45. So I know the 4 hour just started, so there's going to be a lot of volume in this candle. I want to see how this 30-minute closes, and based on that, I'll anticipate either a buy. And in order for me to sell, sell, it's difficult. Price really has to close below. Yeah. Sells below 41.22. Yeah, 41.22. And then you have a wick here. So it's going to be messy sells. It's going to be a little bit messy. Yellow area. Let's see. Let's make this yellow. And let's draw this line here. And honestly, I'm gonna just stick to 30-minute for this here, just because 30-minute, if we close above, this is 1 hour, sorry. Yeah, 30-minute, if we close above, we should be able to continue to push higher. Four hour, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get a lower wick. I think we're just gonna continue to push forward. And buys are gonna be buys above 4140, the yellow area, blue area, let's just say. Okay, this is sort of what I'm looking at. Zcash coming down. Man, I had an entry right over here. This was insane. I had an entry right over here. Actually, like right there. Oh. And I sold it right over here because it was a short-term trade. My stop loss was below this wick, and I sold it right there. Brev. It went up all the way. I think we still have buying opportunity in this. I do want it to kind of do a double bottom and then continue to push up higher. That's something that I'm looking at on Zcash. So for now, we're just gonna wait. This is gonna be a waiting period, waiting game, waiting game, waiting game, waiting game. Let's do another tab, XAU USD, trading view. Let's do this. Can I share a screen? Yeah, this works with me. Let's do this. Wow, gold is just pushing up. Gold is going to be in our buy area soon. See, I'm afraid of this wick on the left-hand side. This wick here is something that could cause issues. So unless there is a proper trade that I'm comfortable with, I'll just stay out. And then on the other hand, we have sort of like a trend line going down. These highs are being respected. These lows are going to be respected. No, that don't make sense. Let's just do this. I'm going to remove this. All right. So yeah, this is going to be just a bit of a waiting game. And so we will wait. Let's see how it rejects from this area. Dang, this is just pushing up. So we're rejecting from the 4136 area on gold. And then on the other hand, Zcash is trying to push up. I wonder if there is going to be enough volume. Okay, the 15-minute has closed. We are rejecting this area on gold. And Zcash looks like it might actually just keep pushing up. There's a lot of wicks on the left hand side, but also it needs to push up. Let's see. If it keeps pushing up from here, that would be annoying because I wanted I wanted to drop just a little bit down to these areas at 466 and then continue to push up because I know throughout the day it's gonna run. Gold's trying to push up again, second try, but like I said, there's resistance levels on the left hand side, and there is going to be rejection. So depending on how we close, if we close like this in the next 10 minutes, which is going to be 30-minute close, then that just means we're respecting this area. So as of right now, it's better to stay put. You feel me? Do you feel me? Okay. All right, Connor, what's up? Let's see. Rejecting, rejections, rejections. Rejections, 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 rejections. $30-minute closing in 9 minutes. 1 hour is going to close in 40 minutes with a lot of rejections on the left hand side. We have 5 rejections on the left hand side. I am tempted, but I'm going to stay out for now. I'm very much tempted to get into this. Also, I'm mad because, oh man, I had a buy right here. Oh, only if I held it. It's calling me. Only if why do I keep deleting the other? Let me just delete this one here. Test and learn. My team proposing BK ratings for 4 parties. David, is this yours? Jesus fucking Christ. Wow, there is the volume. Gold. It's closing fairly bullish on a 30-minute with rejections on this side of the area. So it's just if we can possibly make some structure on the 15-minute to continue to push up. Brother, I'm conducting the live stream. All right. See, because of this rejection area, 1 hour wicked all the way up, but let's see if on a smaller time frame we could possibly retest those areas. As of right now, it's better to stay out because there's no confirmation to enter buys here. So these areas of buys and sells will remain intact. Zcash, on the other hand, try to push up. So we're kind of like in a consolidation area here. Let me just mark that consolidation. Okay. Slacker up and down for a few weeks. Risk review, test and learn. No concerns from servicing. Okay. Let's see. Test and learn. Risk reviews. Dang. The Zcash is rejecting. That's why these cryptos, it's I've stopped trading breakout. Like, I mentioned earlier I was tempted to buy, but at the same time, this is a consolidation area. Like from here to here, it's just been consolidating. So if we come down to this area, the blue area, then I would consider buying 100%. I would consider buying. Fred AI. November 11th. November 14th. All right, so gold. Yeah, nice. Gold 15-minute closed with no wick at the bottom, which means that there's a possibility for us to continue to push up, which aligns with the 30-minute here. But still, it's in the consolidation area for now. Compliance. Fraud. QC. Test and learn. Jeez. See, this is why you stay out. Both of these are kind of similar right now. Yeah, until further notice, there's no buys. Also, there's no sells because there's a resistance support area down at 41.27, which is not that far along. So there is a possibility that this could continue to push up, which I would want to see. But until it does, until it breaks and close above this area, because then on the left-hand side, we have cleaner traffic. Servicing, Jason, Tom, Credit, Allison Kohler. I would wait to see how this 1 hour closes. Wow, it's just coming down. 4 hour, yep, rejecting this area. Perfect. Volume coming in. New York volume. New York session volume is coming in. Could we trade this consolidation? Not yet. No signs of buys yet. Jeez. Dang, son. 2%. Okay, so if this 15-minute closes the way it is, then there could be a buying opportunity. Because what I would want to see is this 15-minute to close above this area. Let me draw a line here. So I want to see a close above this area, and then blue, bro, blue line for buys. Fam, I don't need this right now. Yeah, that's much cleaner. It's much, much cleaner. And we'll just bring this here as well. So I got 5 minutes left. Do not keep pushing. I swear to God. Do not keep pushing, please. Close above the blue line. That's okay. You can do whatever you need to do. Once we close above the blue line, then a break of this high, like right here, should allow us to continue to push up to these areas. And then, yeah, something like this, depending on how we close. All right. All right, we've got 1 minute, 2 minutes to close till we close. Yeah. So much volume in gold. It's crazy. See, this is why crypto is nowhere as good comparing to gold, because gold is gonna have volume in New York session or London session, sometimes Asian session, but there are certain hours when there's gonna be volume, and you can go in and, like I said, even if I lose this trade, I will know tomorrow that at this time there's gonna be volume, and I missed that. So crypto is not even close. All right, where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Okay. I would want for a break above this candle, and then stop loss will be below this previous low for price to continue to push up. Once it breaks above, then that will be an entry point. 30-minute closed bearish, 4-hour looking bearish. That's perfect. Come down to this support area, baby. Come on. Let's see. We're getting active. Today we're getting active. Outstanding. Jeez. Okay, so we're coming down to this area of support. And this is my cue to get into ZEC. Okay, we're breaking this support. I haven't gotten in. God damn. God damn, Jimmy. That's okay. We're getting a better price. That's completely okay. Now let's see if this 15-minute closes above this support area or below. And then the following 15-minute would have to respect this area and continue to push down if this candle closes below this area. It's a lot of below closes, wait, and it might seem a bit, irrational to some people, but that's just how I trade, and that's how I follow my rules. Like it's great that it's coming down, but what if it keeps coming down to like this area? I don't want to get stuck, have a buy. On the other hand, we have gold trying to push up. So let's say, yeah, it's almost about time we can enter. We have 10 minutes in the 1 hour close. Yeah, we have 10 minutes in the 1 hour close. I don't feel comfortable. Maybe once this 15-minute closes the way it is, then it'll be a better idea for price to continue to push up. This would have been an entry. Because right now the stop loss is going to be what? 80 pips. That's crazy. The stop loss is too big. I'm not entering. Once this candle closes above this area, then the next candle should continue to push up. That's the idea. Oh, Busset was online. Nice. Damn, got no viewers. Fuck this shit. Lauren just out of energy. Waiting. It's gotten chilly in the room. See, I'm glad I waited because look at this rejection. Look at this rejection. Let's move some files, stay organized. September. I do want this 15-minute to close bullish because then we should be able to continue to move further up. So we've got, 5 seconds. Nice. I don't think we have any news today, do we? Forex Factory.